Well, listen, guys, thank you so much for monitoring this video. Take a close look at the few minutes we're going to spend here. This video is just an overview of what was taught in the class the other day. But the next video that will be follow, it will have to highlight the advanced navigation link in HTML. But before before we connect multiple of links or multiple of pages to our websites, the first thing we're going to do first is we're going to create a folder, a specific folder, a working folder. Okay. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to create the folder right on the home, right to the desktop. So I create my folder. I name this folder. That's a web. Okay. WEB. I name the folder web. In this folder, it is in this folder we're going to create our multiple of HTML file that we're going to be linking. Remember, each HTML file represents our web page. So let's come to our first HTML page. I already finished laying out the structure here. So I did the HTML opening tag, the closing tag, the head close, the title, and the title close, the body, and the body is right here. And within this body, we have our first header. This header is describing what type of page it is, so that we can't be confused in case we publish our website. So you're saying this is my first home page, okay? So this is our index page or the home page. This home page is where we're going to have the multiple of links that are going to link out to the various pages of our website. So what we're going to do first is to save this file, this HTML file, in our working folder. So click on File. You come to Save As. Right to the Save As. You already know this one. We put Home or Index. Oh well, let name it Home. Okay, HOME, Home dot HTML, because you know we're going to be linking these home pages from the individual pages as well. We select the file or file, let it remain to the UTF-8. Okay, then we'll look for the folder. Our working folder is at the desktop view. We'll look for a, where did we save it? Yes, a web. We'll open web. We'll save this one. So we have saved one page in our working folder. Let me minimize it. Here is it. Where is it? Where did we save it? Let's look for it. Well, maybe it'll be okay. Here is it. It'll be somewhere right. This is our folder. You notice that it just came right inside, and here is a home. Now, watch the show. Let's go back to our HTML file. Remember, don't always learn to close this HTML file. Now, we're going to save another one. We're going to save or create another HTML file called About. That page called About is going to explain everything about our organization. When people go on our website, when they click on the About Us page, it will help them to read everything about us. So this same file here, we're going to go and save as with different name design, right? I know you did info 101, so that's just a shortcut we're taking. So this around naming it as about, ABOUT, about dot HTML. All right, we'll save it with this one. So we'll go to the scene desktop and we save it in the folder. Where is our working folder? Here is an open web. Now we're saving this page as what? About. See here? We'll save it. Look at that. You'll be confused. Why is it saving as about? Then you change it because we are replicating the page using different names. All right, so that we can have our complete web pages in one folder. So let's go back again. Save it with another name, but let's save it as what's we're saving it as home. After home about, we'll go to our resources, right? resources, resources dot html. Resources.html. We'll do the same thing. We save it in our folder. Here is our folder. Documents, sorry, desktop, and then the web. We'll save it. Save it again. We'll go back again. We'll save the same file. We're replicating the file multiple of times so that we can go and re-edit them. Contacts, okay? CONTACT, contacts.html. HTML, save it. Remember, we got our home about resources. So now we see this one as our contacts. So for the sake of the exercise, let's just stop here. That cancels the notepad. You see something? We cancel this notepad. Then we'll come to our web page. Here is it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 different pages. It means that on our website will be having how many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4 different web pages. So each of these web pages combined together give you websites. Each of these web pages contain multiple of electronic data, either a text or videos or graphics or music or sound. These are electronic documents. The electronic document, if you see them on one page, that page referred to as a web page. So multiple of related pages give you a whole website. So let's go back to our home. We'll click to our home. Okay. Right click. Come to open with, because I want to open it with Notepad. Okay. Open with Notepad. Well, I have Visual Studio Code here, but I want to train you guys to use the raw coding first. Maybe after the main train, we'll get to Visual Studio Code. Click on Notepad. Here is it. Now, this is home, right? This is how do we know? Because look at the file name. This file name will tell you that the web page is the home page we're on. So this is my home page, okay? It is on this page. We're going to be putting all of our links. The various links we're going to be linking to our website, all right? So let me see something what I can send it for. Okay, beautiful. So here we have something like that's our first link, okay? Remember, we have resources, we have about, we got contact, okay? So there are 3 different links we're going to code on this first home page. So we'll start with the anchor tag, okay? A, okay, you already know this one, okay. So from the class they gone down right here, between the 2 angles is where our link name coming. The way it's blinking is where our link name coming. So they just pass space small. Okay. Now, where are we putting our attributes? You see where to the H here, the A, we press space bar one time. The attributes is the code that help to link to other internal or external web pages. Is the code that is defined to help to link this particular link to an external resources or internal resources. So HTML says that we should start with href. 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 Okay. Start with href. Okay. The code says href equal what? Equal double quote open. Okay. Then between this double quotation is where we're going to put the specific resource name or our specific web page name. The web page will come in link. Remember, we are on the home page, as you can see the name. So on this home page, we'll come in link first the about page, all right? So we'll put about, A-B-O-U-T, about dot, don't forget our dot HTML. Beautiful. Dot HTML, okay? So href equal double quotation open about.html. Because why are we using about? Because we have a web page name that we just created in Notepad called about, and the extension HTML is the one we use when we're saving that about us page. Also, this .html is the one when the browser see, it's going to recognize that page as a web page. This is the source of our web page, right? We're telling the browser, say, take me to this particular source, this particular source. And remember, the browser will only locate this particular web page because it is within our working folder, the same folder our home page in. Make sure our About Us page is within that same folder. If you take that About Us page and put it outside of that web folder, the browser will never locate it. It will scan, it will never locate it. That will take us to our next video called directory structure. Now, between this anchor tag and this one is what we're going to put our link. This link is the one that's going to appear on the web page, right? Not this about the HTML. So here we'll put, maybe we can put about us. Kindly read about us, something like that. See, KIND. Put everything caps so that it can be KIND. Kindly read about us. Beautiful. It is this particular line, this phrase. This phrase is the one that's going to appear on the website as a link. And when a browser, when a web visitor click on this link, it's going to take you straight to this particular documents. And that document, the web browser will only locate these documents if it's search in the folder, the same folder, the HTML, I mean, say the homepage result. Okay, so we're done with that. Then for us not to rewrite this whole code, let's just copy this one. Okay, and copy, paste it right here, paste. Now we are changing this one now to the next page that we created, which was our resources, right? Yes, resources. We click on to RESOURCES. Beautiful. Remember, if you put there, if you need that file resource, that's the one be resources. Okay, let's see something. Okay, you look at that. This was, we need the one resources. So we forced to name this link resources. Okay, so now we're changing this one and replacing it with what? Kindly, well, maybe we can say our resources. Okay, our, or that put in all cap. Our RESOURCE, our resources. You gotta bear with me a little bit because the rain is coming up, so maybe the sound might interfere with my recording. Beautiful. Now we're done with this. Remember, we have another page, right? Because there are 3 different pages we create to link the home page to. So press copy and paste, and we paste what? Contacts. Remember, we have another page called contact. CONTA. Oh, not put everything in small letter. CONTA. Okay. CT contacts dot HTML. Then for now, we'll put get in touch. Get quick inquiry or something like that. Okay. Get quick QURC. Okay. INQURRES. Quick inquiries. Beautiful. These are the ones that are going to appear. Okay. So let's save this work. Control S. This time around, we're not saving as save as because already previously save this work. So we are saving it as what? Just press save to update. Then we'll go to our folder, the folder that will have that data in. There is here. And here, we just launch this one time. Let it launch. When it launch, if our coding was correct, you're going to see all of our links appear on the home page. It's beautiful. Now HTML is really, really sweet. It's easy to analyze. Where is, what is this? Sorry, it was still loading. So okay, beautiful. So you see, this is my home page, and on this home page we got the first link here. Kindly read about us. Then you get our resources. Then you get quick inquiries. You see, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 different links we have here. Don't see like one link or yeah, because there are plenty of writing there. Probably can go back and reduce them. Go back and let's say contact us. Let me the one contacts. Okay, contact us, contact, contact us, and then let me they want okay our resources, and they want about us. They want to bring to about us. Beautiful. Control S to save, and then we'll go back to our home page. Let refresh. Okay, beautiful. Now we got about us, contact us, and resources. But what they seem like they are together. Let's do something to expound them. Okay, to take them from together. Let's go back to our home page. You see, you see the first link right here. You see there is a key on your keyboard. Red to brackets close right here. Okay, good. Or maybe this one, the key that has the question mark on, you can then press that forward slash. Then you come right here to the other one closing and then press it, so they can distinguish between this link, the about us link, and the resources link. And you can also distinguish between the resources link and this contact link. So that's safe. And then go back to our beautiful. You see that? It already dispersed it. So this one is on its own, this one is on its own, and this one on its own. Now, look at it. If I click on About Us, it will take me straight to About Us page. But there is no link at About Us page. I'll bring it back to the home page. That'll be under SSR, right? It's beautiful. It's just take me to About Us page. No link. Wow, contact. Beautiful. Contact us, please. So we're going to link. You see all these pages. You see this is our index page. We're going to link the various links back. You see resources. When you try on the URL, I say resources.html. Resources.html. We're going to link these pages back to the home page. So that go back. To do that, it means we have to open the page one by one. Let's say the one first, okay? We have to open let's go to our working folder. So that's our About Us page. We click on About Us page, right click on it, go and open the notepad. Okay, open the notepad. Then you change it one so they can identify this is my About Us page. About Us, ABOUT, About Us page. Right here now, we're going to put another link there. A, and A, the anchor link, okay? So right here now, we press space bar, okay. Then we put href, we're going to link this particular About Us page back to the home page. href is equal to double quotes open, the ring is on, so you just have to technically listen to what I'm saying and watch the practical drama. So right between here, we going to put home, HOME dot HTML. You see that? So it's going to take us, it's going to take the about us back to the home page. Then for put home, back, BACK, back to home. Good, beautiful. Back to home. All right, now we'll save this one. We'll copy the whole link and paste it in the other one because we don't want to start all over it again. Now we'll close this one, okay? Now we'll come to contact us, right click on it. Right here, we'll paste it here. Good. Oh, what's going on? Oh, paste. What? Oh, sorry. Why did I paste this thing? This should have been right. Okay. Sorry. This here, we got to paste it right here. Okay. This here we have to do the pasting. Now, this is contact our page, right? We'll change this one on to contact us so that we can identify the page when the browser loads it. Contacts the ACT, contact us. Then here, right here now, we're going to change this one on to contacts. Okay? Because linking it back. Oh, sorry. Now contact the home page remain there because we are linking all the pages back to the home page. Then we just change the one now is back to home. Okay? Back to home. So this link remain here because each of them has to be linked back to the home page. Now we'll press save. We close this one and then we'll come to our resources. Open, right click, and this one we paste it right here too. Okay, we'll change it one to is it to what? Resources, RESOURCES, resources page. This particular link remains here because we're linking the resources page back to the home page. So the reference here is saying that the link here, href, please take me to home page. And here is the link. The link is back to home, so it's correct. So, so what is this? We'll press save. Save. Okay. Now we're all set. Let's go by and launch our home page. Oh, we can just click here and then refresh. Beautiful. Beautiful. We'll just refresh, right? Now, see what happens. If we click on About Us page, there will be a link that will bring us back to the home page. I click here. Wow, you see there? Back to home page, right? I click on it. It takes me back to home page. I go to the next one. Our resources. Beautiful. Back to home page. Contacts. Beautiful. Back to home page. See that? So this is a real how can I say elementary or beginner analysis understanding of link navigations, and this is called relative links. This is called relative links. Thank you so much. So let me pause the video and then create another video again.